The western Cranston location of this 3-bedroom raised ranch puts you a short stroll from scenic Meshanticut Lake. Fabulous outdoor amenities make this home ready to please everyone in your family. Embrace 4 picturesque seasons on the property's lovely hill. Approach the entry where a set of stairs leads you up to the fireplace great room with vibrant hardwood floors and an eye-pleasing cathedral ceiling. This superb entertaining space sits just off the eat-in kitchen, offering a spacious and inviting center island. Sliding glass doors lend walkout access to the delightful deck, backyard, and fire pit for airy sun-filled days and serene evenings in nature. Moving back inside, the opposite wing of the home presents an owner's suite with a private bath. 2 more comfortable bedrooms, usable as an office, hobby space, or gym, and a full bath with a dual sink vanity graciously completes the upper level. Journey down to the lower level where a finished and easily customized living area creates a sociable space to relax with a convenient half bath and laundry. You'll be a short drive from the shops and restaurants at the Garden City Shopping Center. Pawtuxet Village provides more browsing and eateries, while the Alpine Country Club and Cranston Country Club offer scenic recreation. With easy access to Route 10 and Interstate 95, you can reach TF Green Airport in 10 minutes, Providence Nightlife in 20 minutes, or the beaches of South County in just over 30 minutes. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Michelle Lombardi at area code 401-413-3222.